Aardwolf. The aardwolf, Proteus cristatus, is a small insectivorous mammal native to eastern and southern Africa. It belongs to the family Hyenidae, which also includes the hyenas. Despite its name, the aardwolf is not a wolf, and is not closely related to canids. The aardwolf is about the size of a large fox, with a distinctive mane of long erect hair along the back of its neck and shoulders. It has a yellowish-brown coat with black stripes on its legs and back. The aardwolf is primarily nocturnal and feeds mainly on termites, using its long sticky tongue to extract them from their nests. Unlike other hyenas, the aardwolf is not a predator and does not scavenge. It is a solitary animal and is generally shy and elusive, making it difficult to spot in the wild. Aardwolves are not considered endangered, although they are threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation. Aardwolves are fascinating animals, and scientists continue to study their behavior and biology in order to learn more about them and how to protect them. Here are some interesting facts about the life of aardwolves. Number 1. Diet. Aardwolves are primarily insectivorous and feed mainly on termites. They use their long sticky tongues to extract the termites from their nests, and they can consume up to 250,000 termites in a single night. In addition to termites, they may also eat other insects, small mammals, and birds. Number 2. Habitat. Aardwolves are found in grasslands and savannas in eastern and southern Africa, ranging from Ethiopia to South Africa. They prefer areas with soft sandy soil that is easy to dig in, which allows them to create their burrows. Number 3. Social behavior. Aardwolves are solitary animals, and generally only come together to mate or care for their young. They mark their territories with scent marks, and communicate with each other through vocalizations and body language. Number 4. Reproduction. Aardwolves breed throughout the year, and females give birth to litters of 2 to 4 pups after a gestation period of around 90 days. The young are born blind and helpless, and remain in the burrow for several weeks, until they are strong enough to venture outside. Number 5. Threats. Aardwolves are not considered endangered, but they are threatened by habitat loss and fragmentation. They may also be killed by farmers who see them as a threat to livestock, or by people who mistakenly believe they are a danger to humans. Number 6. Conservation. Aardwolves are protected in many areas of their range, and conservation efforts are underway to protect their habitat and reduce human-wildlife conflict. Zoos and wildlife parks also play an important role in the conservation of aardwolves by breeding and releasing them into the wild. Aardwolves face several biological challenges in their daily lives. Here are some examples. Number 1. Diet. Aardwolves are specialized insectivores that feed almost exclusively on termites. While this diet is rich in nutrients, it can also be challenging to obtain. Aardwolves have to locate termite nests, which can be difficult, given that termites build their nests underground. They also have to use their long sticky tongues to extract termites from the nest without damaging the nest itself. Number 2. Predation. Although aardwolves are not predators themselves, they can still fall victim to predation. They may be hunted by larger predators, such as lions and hyenas, as well as by birds of prey. Aardwolves are generally nocturnal, and rely on their ability to hide in their burrows to avoid predators. Number 3. Habitat loss and fragmentation. Aardwolves require large areas of grassland and savanna habitat to survive. However, human activities such as agriculture and urbanization are causing habitat loss and fragmentation, which can isolate populations of aardwolves from each other and reduce their genetic diversity. Number 4. Climate change. Climate change is also a potential threat to aardwolves, as it may cause changes in rainfall patterns and other environmental factors that could impact the availability of food and water resources. Despite these challenges, aardwolves are resilient animals that have adapted to their environment. Scientists continue to study them in order to better understand their biology and behavior and to develop strategies for their conservation.